Hello everyone and welcome back to a new episode of Bake It. Today, we'll be learning how to make an ice cream cake. No need to choose between cake and ice cream, you're getting the best of both worlds. Let's start with the ice cream. You'll need peanut butter, 1 ice cream base. I'll post a link down below for the recipe. Blend the peanut butter and the ice cream base, then pour the mix in an airtight container or a cake mold and freeze for a minimum of 8 hours. For the chocolate cake, you'll need flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, sugar, unsalted butter, eggs, milk to which you add your instant espresso and let it dissolve. In a bowl, sift the dry ingredients. Whisk the sugar and the unsalted butter until light and fluffy. Add 1 egg at a time and whisk. Add half of the dry ingredients, then half of the milk espresso mix and combine. Add the remaining ingredients and whisk until all ingredients are combined. Make sure not to overmix. Pour the batter in a pre-greased cake mold. Bake at 350 in the oven for 10 minutes, then lower the temperature to 325 and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Crush the mini pretzels.
Show them who's boss.
For the chocolate ganache, you'll need milk chocolate drops, heavy cream, or whipping cream. In a heat-proof bowl, combine the chocolate and heavy cream and place over a pot of boiling water. Melt the chocolate, stirring occasionally. Remove from heat and set aside to cool.
Montage time, it's now time for cake montage.
Place the chocolate cake at the bottom of your montage mold and press down on it. Pour half of the chocolate ganache and then add the crushed pretzels. Add your ice cream and press down on it to remove any excess air.
Who needs air anyways?
Finally, pour the remaining ganache. Don't do what I did.
Fork.
Add mini pretzels as garnish and pop in the freezer for about 3 hours or until the ganache has set. Once ready to serve, leave on the counter for about 5 minutes. That's it for this episode of Bake It! If you enjoyed watching, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more baking and cooking adventures. Oh, and comment what you'd like to see in my next videos.